Right on, guys. All American build. What a mess, you guys. What a freaking mess. Okay. Ethan pumped up the back tire. We're going to clean our driveway. And we're going to do a cold start on this 1960 Ford F100. Right, Tosh? Yeah. Wraparound window. We've done tons of work to it. Ethan, do you want to get inside and start this thing up, see what happens? Of course. Ethan the kid. Mom, you want to hold that door open just in case it catches on fire or something stupid happens? Go ahead. Holy cow. Has not been started all winter long. Frozen. Everything's frozen to the ground. Incredible, you guys. Well, it just so happens the truck is frozen to the ground. You guys, we ain't gonna be able to move this.
No, I'm afraid about that.
It's frozen to the ground, so is everything underneath it.
Yeah. We gotta give it, it's supposed to be warm all week. Yeah, you know, we go through the street so we get this hook and strap up and just help remove water.
No, you know what? I don't want to mess with it. It started right up.
We're gonna let it on frost.
Yeah, the sun's out right now. We're gonna move my truck out of the way. Let's move this out of the way, Tosh, so the sun can beat on our driveway.
Perfect. Everything just melt.
Right.
That'd be the best plan back.
Yeah, let's let Mother Nature do its deal. I can't believe that started, Ethan. '60 Ford F100, guys. Wraparound window, short box, fleet side. We got the rear end right there that we're going to be putting in it. I think it's a Ford 8-inch. New brakes. We got new shocks for it. The leaf springs and all the bushings have been replaced. I think the rear end's had new oil put in it. It's been serviced. New wheel cylinders. But right on, guys. Keep on clicking. Stick with South Dakota Pride with the 605. I can't believe she started 60 F100 Ford. Keep on clicking, guys. Be safe, be well.
ETK for president, guys.
ETK for president.
Okay,
Ethan
bye.
the kid. Thanks. Bye.